How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're taking a look at a super nice 65 GTO LeMans. It's done in a beautiful silver metallic with red interior. Very nice car. It's a California built car. Very clean body on it. It's had a lot of nice upgrades. Car looks real nice down the sides. The paint's nice on the car. Bumpers have all been re-chromed. It's got the factory GTO Rally 1 wheels on it. See, the rear bumper's been re-chromed. Got the backup lights. This is a LeMans, but when they restored the car, they did all the GTO trimmings on it. It's a factory bucket seat car with center console. See, it looks nice and straight down the sides. Tell you, this silver with the red interior is just a sexy looking car. It's got a nice strong running 400 in it, 4-barrel. Thing makes about 375 horse. It's got your aluminum radiator in it. I tell you, this car's just fun to drive. Grills are all real nice condition. All your headlight bezels look real nice. That's the original front bumper, and it's nice. It's got a 355 posi rear end in it. It's got all dual exhaust. Doors are nice and clean. All the interior's been replaced in the car. Dash is really nice. They did a retrofit AM/FM iPod connector radio in it. Headliner looks real nice. It's got the factory console and correct shifter. It's got the deluxe wood wheel. Trunk looks real nice in the car. Got the factory spare and jack, everything's with the car. Got a bunch of the paperwork from the restoration and any of the work that's been done to the car. Which is real nice. You don't get that very often from previous owners, but luckily we got them to give us the paperwork. Dash all looks really nice. Got the grab handle and everything on it. It's just super, super nice car. They updated it with some front seat belts. 65s didn't come with seat belts. Again, this is a 400 4-barrel. Got 350 trans with a mild shift kit. Motor sounds real good. Sounds real good out the exhaust. Got a nice little cam in it. Backup lights all work. Super nice car, guys. You check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.